am starting out the day by getting my dinner ready in the crock pot. That way it can cook all day and then I don't have to do anything for it and it'll be ready to eat when we are ready. So I love using my crock pot. But what I'm making is, it's like the Mississippi pot roast, but I'm using beef stew meat instead. And then I also add in potatoes and carrots. So that kind of simmers in that gravy that it makes all day long and it is so good. So let me show you what I'm using. So I'm using beef stew meat, of course. Now you could cut up your own or use the pot roast, whatever you want. I have carrots, potatoes, some of the pepperoncinis, butter, and the Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning packet, and also an au jus gravy. And I'm pretty much just going to put my beef in there and then cut up my carrots and potatoes, add everything on top, and then sprinkle the packets over it, dab on the butter, and then the pepperoncinis, and then call it done.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days. And nothing's gonna make me look away. Peel off a layer and breathe. Lift up your head and lead. Count the stars, oh, before you leave. Save a kiss, pretty please. Try to reminisce over me. Know that I will cherish your memories. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays.
One thing I forgot to mention is I'm going to add a splash of some beef broth just to kind of get it going.
And nothing's gonna make me look away.
As you can see, it's a really good day for some beef stew. There's some snow flurries in the air and it's quite chilly outside.
Real or pretend, however we end.
Alright, my beef stew is done. I just need to do a little cornstarch slurry in there to thicken up the broth. And I shredded up some cheese to go on top, some pepper jack, and then some beautiful crescents.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
We just finished up with dinner. It was so good. Anyway, we are headed to Menards now. I need some cat supplies, so we're gonna go grab that real quick, and I'll show you some of the Christmas decor at Menards, and then maybe also some of the homes that have decorated for Christmas on the way home. So stay tuned for that.
Lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How will you feel about today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in.